Now after K there is no name with alphabet L, M, N, O. Now we have few names with letter P, that is Pooja, Peter and Pooja. Now write these names here in the list and arrange these names according to alphabetical order. Now you can see P is common in all three names, so we will check alphabet number 2. So here O is alphabet number 2 in Pooja, here E is alphabet number 2 in Peter, and here U is alphabet number 2 in Pooja. Now according to alphabetical order, E comes first. So we will give number 11 to Peter, and then after E, O will come in alphabetical order. Then 12 to Pooja, Pooja, and then number 13 to Puja, Pooja. So this way we will give number to all three names. Now after P there is no name with letter Q. Now next letter we have R. So we have few names with letter R like Rohan, Ritu, Rick and Rohit. So again we will write these names here. Now you can see again R is common in all four names. Now we will check letter number 2. So here is O in Rohan, I in Ritu, I in Rick and O in Rohit. So O is common in 2 names and I is common in 2 names. So according to alphabetical order, I comes first. So we will check these 2 names first. Now you can see here first 2 alphabets are same in both these names. So we will check alphabet number 3. So now C comes first in alphabetical order. So we will give number 14 to C, Rick and Ritu. We will give number 15. Okay, now we are left with 2 names, Rohan and Rohit. Now here you can see first 3 alphabets are same. So we will check alphabet number 4. So here A is alphabet number 4 and here I is alphabet number 4. So according to alphabetical order, A comes first. So we will give number 16 to Rohan and number 17 to Rohit. Now after R we have next alphabet S. So we are here few names with alphabet S. Sharon is there, Sai is there and Sara is there. Now write these names in the list like this and arrange them in alphabetical order. Now you can again see first alphabet is same, so we will check alphabet number 2. Now here in Sai and Sara, A is common at second position, so we will check alphabet number 3. So here I is alphabet number 3 and R is alphabet number 3. So according to alphabetical order, I comes first. So we will give number 18 to Sai and number 19 to Sara. Okay. Now we are left with one name, Sharon. That is, now we will give number 20 to Sharon. So this way you can see all these names have number 1 to 20. Now we can easily arrange these names in alphabetical order like I have already done. Now all these names are according to alphabetical order. So that is all for today. Thank you. Good day.